Welcome to Barcelona, Spain. On this tour, we'll be walking through the beautiful streets alley of this incredible city. Barcelona is truly one of the most amazing places in Europe. Did you know that this city never gets snow in winter? It's always warm here. This video is recorded in end November. Many people from Central Europe, like Germans and French, choose Spain as their paradise and refuge to enjoy life. When you're in Spain, you'll experience incredible cuisine, delicious food, and the vibrant energy of the people. The Spanish have a joyful mentality, and they know how to treat visitors warmly and kindly. You really can't compare Spain to Central European countries like France or Germany. It's a completely different vibe. Now, sit back and relax as we take you on this walking tour. This video will give you a glimpse of what it's like to be here in Barcelona during winter. Remember, this is a walking tour video and will not constantly include voiceovers. Just the authentic sights and sounds of the city. Enjoy the tour, and do me one favor, subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Also, don't forget to check the box below for our brand new t-shirts, perfect for adding a stylish touch to your day. Thank you so much, and let's get started.
Tú porque le chupas el culo a tu hermano o así.